Hi, I'm Chris. Welcome to the shop. Today, I'm working on my MP231 transfer case. Very common Jeep transfer case. It's been in just about everything from the XJ, YJ, TJ, LJ from 1988 to 2006. Very simple transfer case. 2 speeds, high and low. High is a 1-to-1 direct drive ratio. Low is a 2.73 to 1 direct drive ratio. Very robust, very cheap. Easily handle V8 horsepower. So we've got a couple modifications I had to make this transfer case fit in my Jeep. My Jeep has been outfitted with a 5.3 liter Chevy engine with a 6L80 automatic transmission. So to make the transfer case adapt to the transmission, I had to change a couple things. The input shaft, 32 splines on the 6L80, but only a 23 on the NV231 here. So Novak Adapters has a really slick little kit you can buy. New input shaft, and it also includes a very cool adapter plate that allows this transfer case to bolt to that transmission. The other modification I've made is actually a super short slip yoke eliminator. This is a standard one. I've been using this for years. It works great. It's no complaints. It actually comes with both of these parts. I replaced mine with the super short version from Teraflex. It allows the drive shaft to be 3 inches longer, which allows a lot more travel on the rear. TJs are very short and they suffer from a lot of drive shaft bind if you try to go anything over like 10 or 11 inches of shock travel. So follow along and see what I did. So there you have it, MP231 transfer case modified for a V8 Jeep, cleaned up, rebuilt, ready to go back in the Jeep. Thanks for coming along today. We'll talk to you next time.